So my name's Arvid. I am a sailboater. I live aboard here in Seattle, and this is my home. I kind of go everywhere with my home. My wife and I and our dog Pluto travel. We just came back from 2 years in the Bahamas. Yeah, one of the things we just have to do as a boater is to keep the boat in ship shape, and that goes for underneath the surface as well. Inspecting zincs is a very important thing. It's just so small. They make sure that the boat, all the metal parts in the boats don't corrode, especially here in salt water. This is something that you kind of know approximately how long it takes before you need to replace them, but it's not an exact science. You kind of want to do it maybe every 3 months or so, maybe a little bit more often sometimes. It's not a job that I look forward to in these climates, and even when it's in a warmer climate, this is still a chore that needs to be done. So having an underwater drone that can go down and like inspect. I was just looking at a video here of inspecting the zincs on the bow thruster, which is a pain because they're sort of inside the boat. I actually took the little dory inside the tunnel for the bow thruster to have a look at the zinc. You can see it clearly here. Thankfully, it's in good condition, so I don't have to replace that right now. So I can stay nice and dry and warm for a couple more months. Unfortunately, you can see on the propeller that the zincs here, that one is clearly gone. This one is somewhat overdue to be replaced, so I saved myself from 2 dives, one for inspection and one to do it. And now I know with certainty that it needs to be done, and I can plan accordingly. I really fell in love with the Gladius. The Gladius Mini is an amazing, and at the time I thought it was actually really small. I sit inside here, a nice warm boat, and you can just hook it up to your TV and see what's going on, or just watch on your phone, and it's just amazing being able to go and do things in somewhat unpleasant environments where it's like 50 degrees cold in the water. But then I heard about the dory and how that would do basically everything that I do with the Gladius Mini, but look at the size difference. I mean, you could totally put this in a backpack and it wouldn't dominate the backpack. It would just be another thing that you have. So you basically have the dory, which, look at how small this is. And then you got the little float with Wi-Fi, and you got the cable and the charger, and that's it. And it comes with this really nice little thing. So I don't have to worry about scratching the lenses, because that's something that I worry about when I pack this in something other than the box it came with. So now you can just put it inside here. It'll be nicely tucked in. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. I'm going on a sailing trip, not this boat, a different boat, in the Caribbean next week. And having this with me, I think will be amazing. So I'm a certified diver, so it's not that I can't dive, it's just there's a lot of places where this is so much more convenient. And once you find things that you really want to see, maybe firsthand, then you just bring the dory up, and then you get your scuba gear ready or your snorkeling gear ready, and then go and have a look in person. But yeah, this is definitely going to be used a lot.